Welcome back to Automotive Widgets, your go-to channel for the best car upgrades, parts, and reviews. Today, we're diving into the best shocks for Nissan Armada. Whether you drive the older 2005 model or a brand new 2023 Armada, we've got you covered with the top 5 shocks and strut assemblies that will completely transform your ride. So, if you want smoother rides, better handling, and a more reliable suspension, stick around, because we'll compare the best options available on Amazon and tell you which one suits your Armada the most. Number 5. Rear Air Shock Absorber. For newer Nissan Armada models, 2017 to 2023, this rear air shock absorber is designed as a direct replacement for factory units. It also fits Infiniti QX80 and QX56 models, making it a versatile choice for luxury SUV owners within the Nissan family. One of its biggest advantages is the air leveling functionality, which helps keep the vehicle balanced when carrying heavy cargo or towing. This ensures better ride stability and comfort, even on long trips. Many users report noticeable improvements in handling and reduced sagging at the rear when hauling loads. The absorber is built to OEM standards, ensuring a precise fit without modification. It's particularly suitable for drivers who value a quiet, smooth ride with enhanced support for modern Armada suspensions. However, it's important to note that this part is not compatible with active suspension or motion control systems, so buyers should double-check their trim before ordering. Number 4. COMPLETESTRUTS Front and Rear Strut. If you're looking for a full suspension replacement kit for your Armada, the COMPLETESTRUTS package is a strong option. This set includes 2 complete front strut assemblies with coil springs and 2 rear shock absorbers, making it ideal for Armada models from 2005 to 2015, RWD. What stands out about this kit is the plug-and-play design. Everything arrives pre-assembled, so you don't need to compress springs or reuse old mounts. Many Armada owners report that after installation, the vehicle feels more stable on highways, braking improves, and steering response becomes sharper. User feedback also suggests that this kit offers excellent value because it replaces all major suspension components at once, reducing the need for piecemeal repairs. It's particularly recommended for Armada SUVs with higher mileage, where both front and rear suspension may be worn. However, since this set is for rear-wheel drive models only, it's not suitable for 4WD versions. For RWD owners, though, it's a cost-effective way to refresh the entire ride quality. Number 3. ECCPP Front Complete Strut Assembly. The ECCPP Front Complete Strut Assembly is designed for Nissan Armada models from 2004 to 2014 and also fits the Infiniti QX56 and Nissan Titan. This makes it a versatile option if you own multiple vehicles within the same family lineup. This kit comes with pre-assembled coil springs, struts, and mounts, eliminating the need for spring compression during installation. Many users appreciate how it restores the Armada's suspension performance to near-factory condition, improving ride height, comfort, and cornering ability. Drivers report smoother rides on both highways and city streets, especially when carrying passengers. The shock absorber system effectively reduces vibration and improves control when braking, making it a solid choice for daily commuting and family use. However, because it is a front-only kit, some customers choose to pair it with separate rear shocks for a complete suspension overhaul. Its affordability makes it a great entry-level option for Armada owners seeking a quick fix without breaking the bank. Number 2. Detroit Axle Shocks. For Armada drivers who need a complete suspension solution with front struts and rear shocks, the Detroit Axle Kit is a strong contender. This package is engineered for 2005 to 2015 Nissan Armada 4WD models and is especially compatible with trims that feature rear air leveling suspension or the off-road package. The kit includes 2 fully loaded front struts with coil springs and 2 rear shock absorbers, giving you a total suspension refresh in one go. Many Armada owners note that the installation is straightforward and the difference in handling is immediately noticeable. Rides become smoother, and the vehicle feels more planted even on rough surfaces. User reviews highlight that the Detroit Axle Kit is particularly effective for Armada SUVs used for towing or long-distance highway travel, where stability and load support are crucial. It also helps reduce body roll and sway, which improves overall driving safety. Number 1. TRQ Front Complete Loaded Strut and Spring. The TRQ front complete loaded strut and spring assembly is a trusted choice for Nissan Armada owners between 2005 to 2014. Designed as a direct replacement, it comes pre-assembled with coil springs and mounts, making installation straightforward. Many users appreciate the OEM-style fit. It bolts directly in without modifications, saving both time and labor costs. Drivers report a significant improvement in ride stability, especially when towing or hauling heavy loads. Its gas-charged design ensures reduced vibration, smoother cornering, and better handling on highways. Practical use cases show that Armada owners noticed a like-new suspension feel after installation, with less nosediving during braking and more control on uneven roads. Considering its balance of affordability and durability, this TRQ assembly is ideal for daily driving and light off-road use. That wraps up our list of the best shocks for Nissan Armada. We hope this guide helps you pick the right suspension upgrade for your SUV. All the product links are in the description below, so make sure to check them out before you buy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Automotive Widgets, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our latest car part reviews. Got questions or personal experience with Armada shocks? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, drive safe and keep your ride smooth.